Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver mostly travel in a zone. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, this is the zone. Okay, if somebody might have noticed the trend, you will know that there is a sharp fall, a narrow pattern is forming, and I have already explained you in my videos. Okay, at this particular point also I've told you, and this particular point also I've told you that as soon as the pandemic restarting to recover, there will be a continuous upside we can see in all the sectors. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there was a narrow pattern forming. That is where you have seen this. After that, again this full range was there, and then there is a downfall. It made a low of around 17.5. Keep that in mind that if the price move below a level of around $19.5, then chances are very high after 19.5 it can touch a level of 17.5. Keep that a note for future. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend is on a higher side. Okay, because if you look at this particular trend, this was the range. Overall trend range is this. So if this range breaks, that means if it breaks this level, a further fall we can see, and if that range break upside above a level of 25, a further upside we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $23.552. Okay, you have to understand events affect the price of natural gas. Okay, like this, we mostly focus on price action. You have to understand, suppose an event is coming, okay, then we can see and volatility in the market. That time, if the volatility is high, always try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice. What will happen then? Your SL and target both will not be hit, means SL will not be hit, rather your target will be hit. That is important. Now if the price sustain this level, and chances are very high it can move towards a level of $23.609 to a level of $23.838. Okay, if the price move up that particular level, chances are very high it will cross a level of around $24. Okay, and once the price move above a level of 24, chances are high it will cross a level of around $24.302, which is already being a weak resistance. Then a probability of going towards $24.725. Okay, and if the price move above a level of $72.5, then chances of touching a level of $25 will be there. Okay, and once the price sustain above 25, a further upside movement we can see, because there will be a zone breakout after 4-5 months. Okay, July, August, September and October, 4 months, after 4 months. So probability of going further high we can see if the price move above a level of $25. But as I have already explained you that market is uncertain. Okay, if it moves up, above or low with a sharp move, then this will only happen when there is a big event is coming. Otherwise it will not happen, or a breakout is happening. Always try to set your SL, because suppose if some war situation comes, like you have seen in Israel, war situation is there. Okay, then the market can be very volatile, so it is instant. So you have to remember to set your SL, so your capital can be saved, and if you are trailing your SL, then your profit can be saved. These two things are very important. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can move further low towards a level of $22.771. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of $22.382 will be there. Okay, and once the price fall below $22.832, we can see it can touch a level of $22.121, and from there our chances of going further low we can see, and then it can touch a level of $22.068. Okay, and if the price fall below a level of 22.068, and then a further low we can see towards a level of 21.542. After $22, chances of touching 21.542 will be there, and if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see, and a probability of going towards a level of around 21.336 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below 21.336, then a probability of going towards 20.878 is there, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of 20.67. Once it move below this level, a further downfall we can see, because there will be a zone breakout. overall trend is upside for the silver, and chances of going further high we can see silver and gold both. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel please subscribe.